had something in my tooth.
Ew.
You know, I just... it's tasty.
Stop it, Mom.
Yummy. Can't do it.
Stop it, Mom.
Ow, she's pulling my hair.
Stop it.
You can walk away, bloody brain. When I tried the bloody brains, I went like this.
Stop it.
Yummy. Ow. Oh, itchy nose. Oh, Jess, you're going to break the chair.
Well, apparently I'm strong.
Which bothers you more? Tasty, yummy? Oh, I can't believe you did that. She pulled my hair, trying to do it without anybody noticing.
Stop.
Ah! Oh, you're getting so big.
Stop it, Mom.
Are you going away? That's the proper behavior. I'll see you later. I love you.